Hey guys, it's Nadir here from Easy Light Sources. Excuse my appearance today. I'm not winning any beauty contests, and don't worry, I'm not trying to. I'm having an attack of the seasonal allergies though, which is weird. I don't normally get fall allergies. But anyway, today I wanted to share what I got from VitaCost. You guys, let me tell you, this box is a little heavy. VitaCost. Let me tell you though, VitaCost is so awesome. I ordered this stuff yesterday. I did pay $0 in shipping, and it came today. And not even, it came 24 hours later. I'll just say that because it came before 12 o'clock. So isn't that awesome? From FedEx, VitaCost. It did ship from Lexington, North Carolina, and I'm in Virginia, so I didn't have to travel too far. But the crazy thing is, this is next day shipping, and I didn't have to pay anything for it. It was free next day shipping. Although it's not, every order does not qualify for free next day shipping. You do have to spend $50, so keep that in mind. But how awesome is that, you guys? That's so great. And trying to cut this safely. They say always cut this, pour the scissors away from you. So that's what I'm trying to do. But yeah, it's been $50. I think my total was $53.54. But it's not that hard to do when you're buying vitamins, because some vitamins do cost a little bit more. The most expensive vitamin supplement that we purchased from VitaCost yesterday was $20, maybe $19. Oh look! Oh yay! It's also sent the receipt. So I'm gonna tell you how much everything costs. So if I don't remember off the top of my head, I'll refer to this. So here we go, unboxing, you guys. Unboxing video. Alright, 2 minutes in and I'm just now getting into it, my bad. So let's start with the first thing that I went to VitaCost for in the first place, which is the Coral Calcium powder. Nice size powder. I went with the powder instead of the capsules because I don't like gelatin. And most things do have gelatin. And this has 1,000 milligrams of calcium and 3,000 milligrams. It's a little weird how it is, but at least the only ingredient in this is Coral Calcium. That's cool. Okay, this Coral Calcium costs about $9, $8.62. Now here's the most expensive, the garlic extract, the aged garlic extract. Actually, my father wanted this. Oh, it's a little big though. You see that actual size? Anyway, my father wanted this. He's, an elder. He's going to be 80 years old on his next birthday. And he said that garlic, he was taking somebody else's garlic, and it made him feel some type of way. Okay, I need to hurry up because I'm going to have to blow my nose soon, and then my whole setup is going to go down if I do that. I got these kelp powders, capsules, 500 kelps, you guys. 500 kelps for $6.93. That is a really, really good deal. This is good for iodine. Okay, I got some magnesium to go with the calcium because it helps your body process it. And I got some multivitamins. They said they're small. Maybe I can open it real quick, because I was wondering how small it could be and how could a small multivitamin have all those benefits. But they're vegan multivitamins, so that's good. No gelatin in these. Let me hurry up. I'm sorry. I wanted this to be a fast video. We're coming on 4 minutes already. Well, hopefully you don't mind. I don't mind. But I do want to see how big these are, because I was wondering. I was really curious. Oh God, the child safety lock. Okay. Ouch. Let me take this off. Multivitamins are good because they fill in your blanks. And I'm a little embarrassed to say how long it's been since I actually had a good multivitamin. Especially one for my son as well, since we are very plant-based people. Oh yeah, they are small. You see how small that is? Tiny, tiny. Wonderful. He won't complain about taking them. Okay, so we have 4 more things in here. And that's it for the vitamins. So we have 5 bottles of vitamins. I ordered a vegan jerky. This was $1.30. Texas barbecue flavor. I'll do a review on this on easylightsources.org. So just wait on that. And then I'll look at this. They put the liquidy stuff in a bag, which is what I would do if I were packing. So maybe I don't need to take it out. The Castile soap here. This Castile soap is a really good deal because you know Castile soap can easily be $20 for this big ass bottle, and this was $4, you guys. No, $5. This was $5.51. Great deal. Got some lotion for my purse for $1.69, and it's rose scented, 1,000 roses, so wonderful. And some lotion. Now this is a little smaller than I thought it was going to be, but it's shea butter body lotion, almond flavor, for $5.59. So I guess that's my Vitacost haul. Everything I've got: 5 bottles of supplements, lotion, soap, and a jerky for $53. I think that's a great deal. I think that I do like Vitacost, and they gave me a 15% off coupon as well. So yay! I'm actually going to take the Coral Calcium today because I don't like to wait to take vitamins. If I have them, I'm going to take them right away. But okay, thanks for watching, you guys. Thank you. Peace. And get well soon, Nadira.